What's going on, YouTubers? Welcome to the weekly distribution portfolio update. Week 1 is in the books. The last of the distributions popped in this morning on Monday. Normally they will all pop in on Friday, but because of the holiday, we didn't receive our last distributions until this morning. If you use Fidelity and not Robinhood, you receive them early when it comes to the Monday morning drops. We actually got them 2 days ago. So we have 9 tickers in the portfolio. All of them pay weekly distributions. We're going to track them every week. We're going to recognize the top performers. We're going to take a look at the low performer, not to poke fun, because the low performer this week got 31% distribution, which is still phenomenal. And we're going to ride this as long as we can. So with that said, the portfolio, we only have a few $1,000s in here, $4,100 in the portfolio, all in cost. It provided $40 of cash flow this week, which is a 51% distribution rate. Pretty stinking good. I'm liking it. If you take a look at the portfolio, Yahoo Finance is a little glitchy sometimes. It's off by a few pennies. Like Defiance, WDTE, they didn't even recognize that it dropped a distribution last Friday. So we're going to have to track it manually. What you're looking at is all 9 tickers, what they're related to. So Defiance has a Nasdaq 100, QQQY, S&P 500, WDTE, small cap 2000, IWMY. Roundhill also has these. They have an S&P 500 XDTE. They don't want to pay for the name rights, so they don't call it the Nasdaq 100. QDTE and the small caps, they do not pay for the name rights, so theirs is RDTE. And then they also have a Bitcoin related ticker, YBTC, and that was our top performer this week, 106% distribution. YieldMax. YieldMax has 2 weekly distributions, YMAX and YMAG. So we're also going to take a look at the net assets. We're going to track the net assets every month, first of the month. We're going to go to all the websites and pull down the data. Right now, out of the 9, Roundhill, ticker QDTE, manages the biggest portfolio out of all 9 of these. The lowest one, ticker YBTC, is 78 million. And their expense ratios, the highest expense ratios we're looking at is YieldMax. They both have over 1% expense ratio. The rest are under, just a little bit. 1.28% is pretty high. But if they can bring good take rates every month, it'll cover the cost. We should be good. So this week, week 1 in the books, as you can see from Yahoo, some of the numbers are off by a couple pennies. But we did bring in $40 this week, and I figured whichever was the top performer, I'd snowball and buy stock with what we brought in for the week. Unfortunately, the portfolio is not big enough. We need more than $50 to buy ticker YBTC. So we'll do the runner-up. We'll use the $40 and buy YMAG because it came in second place. We'll snowball the money into that and take a look. So I know there's a lot of rambling on for the first week. I'm trying to give you all an idea of what I'm trying to do here, and hopefully you'll follow along with the journey and see how it goes. If you know another weekly that's coming out, let me know. I'll add it to the portfolio. I'm looking at first of the month, I'll drop like $500 into this and then just snowball all the distributions, and we'll grow it as fast as possible. Might take a while, but it should be a good ride. Till next time.